Hi guys, quick setup of the new rain shield on the mini Talon. Quick rundown. This is what I've got. See, this is my homemade, designed and printed pan and tilt mount. It's on Thingiverse on Mogex. This page, I suppose that's usually what you call it. I haven't actually got a Thingiverse channel, so that's with it in position. Got those little bits there to try and help shield some wet airflow over the top of the nozzle, just to cover the Mobius a little bit. Little micro sort of mini servo on the side. I have got some smaller servos turning up, but that one seems to do the trick. I've lost model alarm going off. So that's that there. If I flick the switch down, you'll see the mechanism. So it's coming down position. You shouldn't see, I haven't all got the FPV gear fired up, but that shouldn't be in view of the FPV camera on down position. When you flick it back up again, so it could do with these being a couple of mil longer, to be fair, so it doesn't rub quite as much on the camera lens. But interestingly enough, the Runcam Owl, which is that one, has got a completely different lens on it. It doesn't rub on that one at all. It's really nicely snug because it's quite a curved lens. The actual lens on that one, the actual sort of, I suppose it's quite a square shape, square cylindrical shape. It sticks out a little bit more. That's the lost model I'm going off again. So pan and tilt, left, right, up, down. So that's the actual, go all the way down. So it just tucks in nicely down below. Of course, when it's fully down, if I try and flick the switch, with the in that position, still comes up quite nicely. And pan and tilt. So hopefully that should work like a treat. So thanks for watching again, and hopefully test run this weekend, as long as there's fog on the ground. So we make sure we're in obviously legal height. We don't want to go for the clouds, because that'll be way above height restrictions, of course. So bloody lost my alarm. Anyway, so that's my mini Talon with the FPV mount with a rain shield, the new updated rain shield mod. So we'll see how that goes. So thanks for watching. Bye.